Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amazing Life. Here I am again with a new video on best marriage proposals ever. In today's age of social media, it's all too easy to lose sight of the fact that something as big as marriage proposals used to be simple, quiet and private affair, but no longer. And let's be clear, if you are a fan of great love stories and rom-coms, this video is for you. I have compiled here few best marriage proposals stories so clever and heartwarming that they resonate our belief in true love. But before watching the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Let's begin. First, Andrew and Sarah. Sarah told it took 9 hours of hiking to reach at the peak of Trolltunga mountain in Norway. When they reached on the peak, whatever she saw was unbelievable. She said, "As I was looking at the camera, Connor, her boyfriend, tugged my hand. When I turned around, he was on one knee and proposed her with a beautiful rose and ring." She said, "I was totally surprised because it was not expected at all. But she was very happy and said yes." Just like this, same happened in the case of Richard and Daniel. When both reached on the peak of the freezing Mount Hope in Antarctica, on the height of 3,200 meters, Richard went on knees in one chilling cold and proposed Daniel with red rose and rings. Second, Australian MP Tim Wilson and Ryan Bolger. Parliamentary debate in Australia Parliament was going on. Suddenly, Australian MP Tim Wilson interrupted his own speech on same-sex marriage and proposed to his stunt partner of 7 years, Ryan Bolger. Bolger, who was listening from the public gallery, responded with a big yes. Next, Captain Eric Straub and Clary. Air Force Captain Eric Straub, who had reportedly just returned from the duty in the Middle East, marched into the middle of the Arizona Cardinals field, where tens of thousands of people were watching the match, and her girlfriend Clary was performing there as cheerleader. He interrupted the match in a break, and Clary was really surprised to see him there. He reached to her, knelt down, and proposed her in the presence of thousands of the people who were cheering for them. She happily said yes. Next, filmmaker Lee Locher and Dr. Stuti David. Picture this: you are in the cinema hall watching your favorite Disney movie, Sleeping Beauty, but the characters look oddly familiar to you and your boyfriend. Suddenly, the prince then proposes to her princess. You turn to your side, and her boyfriend is down on one knee with a ring. This fairy tale moment literally was created by filmmaker Lee Locher when he proposed to her girlfriend Stuti David, a cardiologist. He rented a cinema hall filled with their friends and family, played the film and popped the question, and thankfully she said yes. Next, Air Malta Captain Charles Borg and Julia Lynn Salvia. In Air Proposal and Marriage, Air Malta Captain Charles Borg planned to route around Sicily and Mount Etna carefully to create a perfect heart-shaped flight path. Then he asked his cabin crew girlfriend Julia to enter the flight deck and to see her navigation display, which spelled out, "Will you marry me?" And she said yes. After the civil ceremony held at Malta International Airport, the bride and groom took into the sky together with friends, relatives and colleagues. Next, Bethany Albert and David Slater. Theme Pride and Prejudice. Bethany says, when she opened the door, she got too surprised to see her sister, who was there with a lovely dress and a script of famous love story Pride and Prejudice. Firstly, she couldn't understand what's going on, but when their family members told them, she was very surprised and happy. David Slater, Bethany's friend of 5 years and boyfriend of 10 months, was hiding in a closet nearby dressed as Mr. Darcy. One by one, more and more family members joined the scenes. David took the script directly from the textbook, and her family members did rehearsal in the secret without knowing her. Nearly after half an hour scene, Mr. Darcy proposed to his lizard in the neighbor's backyard. This was an amazing example for the story lover. Next, but there is no happy endings always, and money can't buy love. This incident happened in Changsha city of China. A Chinese billionaire proposed a Russian girl with balloons, roses, fireworks and Lamborghini, but that Russian girl rejected his marriage proposal. The man didn't take the rejection well and continued to pursue her to say yes by blurting out, I have money, I can buy as many of these cars as you like, I can buy whatever you want." But girl said, "You have money, so what? I don't care." Hurt and embarrassed, the frustrated man then lost his temper and went on rampage, throwing the large bouquet of flowers to the ground and knocking over products on display at the plaza. So think before showing off your money to a girl and propose her. It can go wrong. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have now some new ideas to propose your loved ones. But before thinking any unique idea to propose, like this video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.